Got the hiccups, Dad?
Yep.
Sounds like you're choking on your own tongue.
Well, the hiccups, okay? Were you trying to scare me? Because it didn't work.
Oh man.